You beat a clown already? You beat a clown already? Okay, come on. Here we go. Let's open your box. Yeah. You get stand on it? Okay. You ready to see what's inside? A lady in a bathtub with a black and white cat. Oh, I already see the catnip toy. It's XOXO. Look at that. It's soft, too. Yeah. Is it good? Yeah, it might be good. There's a string toy. That is a chocolate-covered strawberry. Cat lady socks. Cat mom socks. See what they look like. Oh, there's two pair. Cat mom and I love cats. Those are cute. White socks. And then there's a cat lady. Are you getting it? Here, let's make it. I don't know if it has catnip in it, does it? Yeah, it says it does. It's really soft, isn't it? It's like velvet. Yeah, velvet. There's a cat alarm clock. Well, that's really cute. Look at that. It's heavy too. On, off, alarm. I don't know what that sign is for. Oh, to set the clock. And then what's it need? One AA battery. That's pretty cool. I like the simplicity. I will use it too for things like don't forget to water the trees. That kind of stuff. If I get involved in something, set this to remind me. Stop what you're doing and go do something else. Cat Moms Club. A drink cup. That's kind of cute. And this month's cat t-shirt kind of matches that mug that we got a couple months back. Meow. Yeah. That's really cute too. Yeah. Cat Lady donates a portion of all profits to cat rescue organizations. Thank you for helping cats. Indeed. Indeed. Right, Vivian? Indeed. She likes the tissue paper so it's not too mangled. I give it to her. You want the box? You're purring really loud. We're gonna get Zeus to help you this time. Yeah. Where's Zeus, man? He didn't crash your box opening this week or this month. Yeah. Kind of late with it too, aren't we? Yeah, it came and we were busy, so. Well, there you go. Well, it's all spitty, so you must like it. It certainly does smell like catnip. Here. It's just not as good as Carl the Caterpillar. Or Larry Loaf. Okay. the orange cat brain cell. Here's Larry Lemonose. Carl the caterpillar. You just have a box full of toys. Yeah. There you go. Oh, you got the brain cell, huh? All right. What do you think? The XO toy just wasn't stinky enough, was it? Not enough catnip. Gotta get one that has more catnip. You're silly. I should get all hinky with it. The back twitches. She keeps moving. There you go. That's what we like to see. We'll have to let them know that that one just didn't have enough catnip and we had to get the orange cat brain cell back out. Playing with it without Zeus, too. All right. You're a silly girl.